And they're little.
They're little.
Hey, I'm Cameron.
I'm Clint.
Today we have new Entenmann's Little Bites cream-filled golden cupcakes.
It's a little baby cupcake.
I like Entenmann's donuts. I've never had a Little Bite cream-filled cupcake though.
These are new.
They're bite-size. I would describe this as bite-size.
I am going to make it 2 bites, but it is bite-size because I want to see what's inside of it.
I'll look at yours.
Okay, let's try it out.
Soft, moist. It's like a mix of a Twinkie and a Hostess cupcake.
Yeah, this
Like
really
they
is.
had a baby.
The bottom is very Twinkie-ish. Top's a little bit different. 2 in a pouch. This would have been acceptable to find in my lunch when I got to school.
Yeah.
I would be fine. I would not be happy or sad about it. It would be like, well,
Alright.
this is okay.
I will take this. I will accept this.
Maybe trade up for something else.
Maybe.
Maybe. It'd depend on what the market at the time was.
Yeah. Since it is new, you could probably
Yeah.
hey, don't you want to try these? They're new. Like, I'll trade you this. Or I'll trade you one of these for your pudding.
I don't know. I'd probably have to go 2. I probably couldn't get away with just 1 for the pudding.
Oh man, you gotta know how to sell it.
I'm not good at that. It's just kind of like a your average kind of like store-bought pastry, cream-filled thing like that.
Something you'd find at the end cap of a grocery store aisle and go, hey, I wondered about these. And hey, we just tried them.
Sometimes after dinner, I like just a little bit something sweet. I don't like to go crazy. Split this with somebody. Just here, grab a bite. Okay, all good now.
If it was Cameron and I eating dinner together, he'd be like, here you go, and I'd be like, cool. Alright, give me 4 more.
Scale of 1 to 37? 20 out of 37.
17 out of 37.
Thanks for tuning in to the 2-Minute Review.